During my stay in Wyoming Laramie and Nevada Reno, I have encountered many snow days. Snow days are great for going out and play with the snow, but always pay attention to safety. Today, I would like to explain some important but simple procedures to getting your cars up and running during a snow day. These procedures should not be neglected because of safety reasons. First, see if your car will even start. If the car does not start, perhaps it is best that you stay home and fix the car when the weather is better. However, if you really need to go out, please call your local taxi. Second, if your car does start, take out your ice scraper and snow brush. Use the snow brush to brush off snow that is on your car. Use the ice scraper to scrape off any ice that is on the windshield, windows, and back glass. The reason for clearing the snow off and scraping the ice off is for safety. If you do not clean the snow on the car, sometimes the snow may block your sight when it falls off. And/or, if you do not scrape off the ice, it may be difficult to see the road and traffic. Therefore, please be sure to clear anything that may block your sight while driving. The last thing you should do when there is heavy snow, either put on snow tires, snow chain, or snow cables. Today, we only have all-season tires and we have snow cables. So I will now teach you how to install snow cables on your tires. First, if your car is a rear-wheel drive, lay the snow cable in front or behind the rear wheels. If your car is a front-wheel drive, like mine, lay the snow cable in front of the front wheels. Once you have placed the snow cable at the corresponding spot, drive your car halfway over the snow cable. That way you can bring both ends of the snow cable around the tires. Second, clip the snow cables together and tighten. It is easier if you clip the inside first. Once the snow cables are tight, be sure to tuck the remaining cables in the providing spot, depending on your snow cables. Just make sure that the remainders of the cables are not sticking out because they can cause damage to your car. Last but not least, try the snow cables to see if it's tight enough. If they are not tight enough, make adjustments. If they are tight enough, drive slowly and carefully because the roads may still be very slippery. Have a safe drive.